Welcome to this video. We will guide you through configuring the integration between Akuvox door phones or access control terminals and third-party LPR cameras. Assign the license plate to a user on the cloud that updates the data to the door phone. When the camera identifies the plate and matches it with the information on the door phone, the door can be opened. The compatible Akuvox models include R29, X915, X912, etc., with specific firmware versions. Check the video description for details. In this video, we use the Akuvox door phone X912 and MileSight camera MS C2966 RFLWP as examples. This video consists of 4 essential parts, guiding you to set up this feature step by step for cloud projects. Before you start, make sure devices are powered on and connected to the same local area network. Let's start. Use Akuvox IP scanner tool to scan the door phone's IP on the same local area network. Enter it in a browser. Log in with the username and password. Both are admin by default. Click Setting, HTTP API. Enable the feature and customize the username and password. Select the desired authorization mode. For example, the Allow List mode requires entering the IP address of the third-party device for authentication. This mode is suitable for operation in the LAN. Enter the IP address of the camera. Submit the setting. Then, assign the license plate to a user on the cloud. For new commercial projects created after October 15, 2024, installers, project managers, and administrators can add license plates. For community projects, only property managers can add license plates. Single house project users can add them with their Smart Plus apps. Take a community project as an example. Log into the cloud platform with your account. Click Smart Parking License Plate. Click New on the right. Select the building, apartment, and resident. Enter the license plate information. Optionally, you can set a period during which the vehicle can enter and exit the area by checking off the long-term vehicle option. Submit the setting. Next, configure the third-party camera. Use the camera IP to log into its web interface. Go to Setting, Data Transmission Interface. Enter the URL containing the door phone's IP. Check the Enable box and set the HTTP method to post. Enter the username and password that are set on the door phone's setting, HTTP API interface. Click Data Settings to enter the post command as shown. Let's see how this feature works now. When the camera identifies the license plate, the door will open. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Akuvox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.